If you feel your DVR is frozen, acting slow, or just not responding at all, you try clicking around, restarting it, unplugging it, and yeah, still the same mess. Now you're sitting there like, huh, why is this thing not working when I actually need it? If you're using a night owl DVR, this kind of situation can creep up out of nowhere. One day it's recording fine, next day it's glitching, not connecting, or asking for settings you don't even remember changing. Sometimes it's a system bug, sometimes settings get corrupted, or maybe the device just needs a full reset to clear everything out. And yeah, that's where a factory reset comes in. But here's the catch: once you do it, everything gets wiped. All your custom settings, passwords, configurations gone. So before jumping into it, you just want to be sure this is actually what you need. If your DVR isn't responding, keeps freezing, or you're locked out completely, then yeah, a reset might be the move. So these are the fixes. 1. Turn on the DVR and connect it to a monitor using HDMI or VGA. 2. Access the main menu using your mouse or remote. 3. Go to System Settings and find the Maintenance or Default option. 4. Select Factory Reset and confirm your choice when prompted. 5. Wait for the DVR to restart and complete the reset process. 6. Reconfigure your settings like date, time, and camera setup.